Simple hands, another day, working hard along the way. No gold rings upon my hand, just a dream and where I stand. I don't need the world to see what this life has made of me. Simple hands, honest heart, that's where every blessing starts. I may own a little more than money could ever store. More than riches ever know. With a smile I play my part. Simple hands, honest heart. Simple hands, honest heart. That's where every blessing starts. I may own a little more than money could ever store. Simple hands, honest heart. My pocket may not hold much gold, but my story can't be sold. Every sunrise finds me strong, working hard my whole life long. I don't count what I don't own, I count the seeds that I have grown. Oh, my pocket, my pride, nothing left to hide. I may have a little less, still my soul is truly blessed. Simple roads beneath my feet, every struggle made me complete. I don't need a life of fame, I'm still proud to wear my name. My pocket, my pride, nothing left to hide. left to hide. I may have a little less, still my soul is truly blessed. My pie, I not pride, lays inside. Lives inside. Old shoes on this dusty road, carrying another load. Every mile, every day, still I find another way. The road is rough beneath my feet, but I never taste defeat. Walking with empty shoes, still got nothing left to lose. My hope is walking too. Every dream will come true. The wind may call my name, but my heart stays the same. Simple life, simple truth. I'm still living with my roots. Walking with empty shoes, still got nothing left to lose. My hope is walking too. Every dream will come true. Step by step, I move ahead. Step by step, I move ahead. I move ahead. Step by step, I move ahead. Every morning starts the same, still I smile just the same. Heavy road beneath my feet, but my soul won't know defeat. Little hope can light the way, brighter than yesterday. Smiling through the struggle, keeping my spirit humble. Even when the days are tough, my heart is strong enough. Simple dreams keep me alive, giving me the strength to strive. Every sunset brings me peace, every worry finds release. Smiling through the struggle, keeping my spirit humble. Even when the days are tough, my heart is strong enough. Still I smile, all the while. Smiling through the struggle, keeping my spirit humble. Even when the days are tough, my heart is strong enough. Still I smile, all the while. Still I smile, all the while. I've walked roads both long and rough. Life has tried to call my bluff. Empty hands but dreams held tight. Still I face another fight. Every fall has made me wise. I keep hope within my eyes. A simple man never quits, never bows, never slips. With an honest heart and soul, I keep reaching for my goal. I don't need a life of fame. I'm still proud to wear my name. Step by step, day by day, fate will always lead my way. A simple